Hey, welcome back to the channel. I'm Henry from Ace Custom Cars. To celebrate our milestone of hitting 100 subscribers, thanks to you guys and your help, we're going to do a giveaway. We're going to give away a hoodie, an Ace Custom Car hat, and a shirt. Like, subscribe, thumbs up, and drop a comment down below. One lucky winner will get all of this sent out to them. Thanks to for your support. Help me hit that 100 or more. I appreciate all you guys for watching my videos, liking my videos, and for all the help from all the other guys that have been helping me build this Camaro. So join me on my epic quest for 100. It doesn't sound like a lot, but it's been hard to get there. And hopefully we'll get many more. Peace out.